everyone, and welcome back to the English Flow Podcast. I'm Ella.
And I'm Sam. We're so happy you're here. Thank you for learning English with us today.
In this episode, we're talking about your job, everyday work vocabulary in simple, easy English.
Yes, you will learn how to talk about what you do, your schedule, and your daily tasks at work, all in A1 to A2 English.
If you want more friendly English lessons like this, don't forget to like the episode, subscribe, and share our podcast.
All right, let's start. Today's topic is talk about your job.
Let's begin with a simple question. What is your job?
Yes, this is a very common question, and we can answer like this. I'm a teacher, or I work as a teacher.
Let's practice. Listen first. I'm a driver. Listen again. I'm a driver.
Great. Now repeat with us. I'm a driver.
Good job. Here are more examples. I'm a student. I'm a cook. I'm a nurse. I'm an engineer. I'm a cashier. I'm a designer. I'm an office worker.
Ella, what is your job?
I'm an English teacher. I teach English every day.
Nice. I'm an audio producer. I record podcasts and videos.
Let's repeat some job titles again to help you remember. Teacher, driver, nurse, student, engineer.
Don't worry if you are slow. Slow is good. Slow helps you learn. Let's do listen, repeat again. Ready?
I'm a teacher. I'm a nurse. I'm a driver.
Great job.
Now let's talk about where you work. We can say, I work in a hospital. I work in an office.
Or we can say, I work at a school. I work at a restaurant.
Let's practice with simple, clear examples. I work in a shop. I work in a bank. I work in a factory. I work at home. I work at a hotel.
Ella, where do you work?
I work in a school. I work with students every day.
Nice. I work in a studio. I make audio and video content.
Let's repeat again. I work in a hospital. I work in an office.
Great. You're doing really well.
Now we talk about tasks, things you do at work.
Here are some common work actions. I write emails. I make phone calls. I talk to customers. I help people. I cook food.
Good job. Let's do another one. Listen. I help customers. Again. I help customers.
Now repeat. I help customers.
Let's make it more real. Sam, what do you do at your job?
I record audio. I edit podcasts. I talk to clients. I check sound quality.
Nice. My tasks are I teach lessons, I explain new words, I correct homework, I help students.
Okay, listeners, your turn. Think in your mind, what do you do at your job? Even if your English is simple, it's okay.
Let's repeat some tasks again to remember. I write emails. I talk to customers. I clean rooms. I cook food. I fix things.
Now let's talk about your work schedule. This means, what time do you work?
Important vocabulary. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, shift, weekend, day off. Meaning, let's do listen and repeat. Listen. I start work at 8. Again. I start work at 8. Now repeat. I start work at 8.
Great. Here's another. I finish work at 6. Repeat. I finish work at 6.
Sam, what is your work schedule?
I start work at 10 in the morning. I finish work at 6 in the evening. I don't work on Saturdays.
Nice. I start work at 7:30. I finish work at 3. My day off is Sunday.
Listeners, think about your schedule. Can you say it? I start work at. I finish work at.
You're improving already. Good job. Now let's talk about people at your job. Important words: boss, manager, coworker, team, customer/client.
Examples. I am a manager. I work with a big team. I work with many people.
Sam, tell me about your coworkers.
My coworkers are very creative. We work together on many projects.
Great! My coworkers are kind and helpful. We talk every morning. Now let's talk about what you like about your job. Useful phrases. I like my job. I enjoy helping people. I like my team. I like talking to customers. I like learning new things. My job is interesting. My job is fun.
And here are phrases for things you don't like. My job is difficult. My job is stressful. I don't like long hours. I don't like angry customers.
Let's practice. Listen first. I like my team. Again, I like my team. Repeat. I like my team.
Good job. Ella, what do you like about your job?
I like helping students. I enjoy teaching.
I enjoy creating content. I like using audio equipment.
Now let's practice with a simple role play. Imagine we meet for the first time at a cafe.
I'll start. Hi, what's your job?
I'm a teacher. I work in a school. What about you?
I'm a producer. I work in a studio.
Nice! What do you do every day?
I record podcasts and edit audio. And you?
I teach lessons and help students.
Cool. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it a lot. Listeners, now it's your turn. Pause the podcast and try to answer these questions. What is your job? Where do you work? What are your daily tasks? Do you like your job?
Great practice. We're proud of you.
Let's review today's key phrases. I'm a. I work in. I start work at. I write emails. I talk to customers. My coworkers are. I like my job because.
Amazing job today. You learned a lot of everyday English for talking about work.
Now we want to hear from you. Community question. What do you do at your job? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast.
Have a great day and keep practicing English.
Bye-bye.